Hey, hello everyone, this is Roosevelt Vargas and today I'm going to show you how to do the donut shot. Okay, I just love to use Herbalife products and just a few of them just to give you a little bit of flavor. And this is what we're gonna do. Ingredient number one, Prolessa Duo. These are the two presentations that Herbalife has, the 7-day and the 30-day. So what you're gonna do, inside comes with a scoop. So you're gonna fill up all a scoop like this one, right? Very good. Then what you're gonna do is just add a little bit of water. Not too much. Right there. Good. Then after adding the water, I'm just gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. I have this one that I bought it in Costco. Just a little bit, let me show it to you, it's not that much. Here we go. And then for additional flavoring, you may choose any of the Herbalife Formula 1 shakes that you may want to have. Today I'm using this one, the maple pecan, but I don't add too much. I just add it just to add flavoring into it. And I have half teaspoon. Put it right there. And then with a spoon, what we're gonna do is just mix it until everything gets totally dissolved, right? Prolessa Duo has so many benefits, and I'm going to read some of them. That is dual action, hunger control, and fat reduction powder. You just mix it like this. Very good. Keep mixing it. Make sure everything gets dissolved. Okay, very good. What I do is just squeeze everything towards the walls of the glass. Or you can use a shaker cup as well. Okay, and this is how it looks like. And it's just delicious. I do it twice a day, one in the morning, one in the evening, for hunger control and fat reduction. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.